back to Dr. HABIB Health Hub. Today our topic is depression. Depression is more than just feeling sad. It is a common mental disorder that is spreading worldwide, that affects millions worldwide. In this video, we'll investigate into understanding depression, its signs, symptoms, and initial steps toward managing it. Depression isn't merely feeling low for a day. It affects how you think, handle things, handle daily routine, often containing weeks, months, or even longer. At its core, depression contains a persistent feeling of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed. Symptoms of depression. Here we talk about the symptoms of depression. Symptoms of depression can vary from person to person. Common signs and symptoms of depression are feeling of sadness, emptiness, fatigue, change in appetite, weight loss, sleep disturbance, difficult in concentrating, feeling of worthlessness or guilt, and thought of self-harm or suicide. Depression extends beyond emotional pain. It affects every aspect of life. Relationship may suffer, work or school performance may decline, and physical health might weaken due to neglect or lack of self-care. The weight of depression can be overwhelming, making daily tasks even impossible. If you or someone you know exhibits signs of depression, seeking help is crucial. It is not a sign of weakness but a brave step towards healing. Consulting a mental health professional such as therapist or psychiatrist can lead to effective treatment strategies tailored to individual needs. For these strategies, while professional help is vital, several coping strategies can complement formal treatments. These include regular exercise, maintaining a healthy diet, establishment a consistent sleep routine, practicing relaxation like meditation or yoga, and engaging in activities that bring joy or sense of accomplishment. Addressing depression also involves breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. It's vital to foster an environment where discussing mental health is encouraged and seeking help is rewarded. Whether we can support a community that prioritizes mental well-being and encouragement for support you suspect someone is experiencing depression, often support encouragement, simply being present, lending an empathetic ear, or helping them seeking professional help can make a significant difference in the journey towards recovery. Okay, we will move towards the conclusion. Understanding depression is the first step in managing it. By recognizing the symptoms, seeking help, and promoting mental health awareness, we can create a more supportive and compassionate world for those affected by depression. Thank you for tuning in. Get ready to elevate your well-being with us. Until next time, stay happy, stay safe. See you in the next video.